Hey there, dream builders. Welcome to Blueprint Breaker, the channel where we design dreams and break barriers. Did you know that helping out at home can actually prepare you for a career in architecture? Sounds crazy, right? But stick around because today I'm going to show you 5 surprising ways that everyday tasks at home can sharpen your skills and make you a future design superstar. If you're ready to unlock a whole new way of seeing the world, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. In our DIY culture, with architecture like with everything else, you don't need an expensive degree or fancy software to start training as an architect. Some of the best lessons happen in the simplest ways, right in your own home. From organizing spaces to fixing broken things, these everyday activities build the exact problem-solving, creative, and technical skills that architects use every day. Let's dive in. Ever get the urge to move your bed, desk, or couch around? Congratulations! You're already thinking like an architect. Every time you rearrange furniture, you're learning space planning, figuring out how to optimize movement, balance, and function. This is the core of architectural design, whether it's planning a home, a restaurant, or an entire city. So next time you switch things up in your room, realize you're actually training your design instincts. Architects don't just design buildings, they make sure they actually work. If you've ever fixed a broken door, wobbly chair, or leaking faucet, you're already thinking structurally, just like an architect. Understanding how things are built and repaired gives you an edge when designing structures that last. So, whether you're tightening screws or patching drywall, remember, you're building your problem-solving and construction skills. What does cooking have to do with architecture? Everything. Cooking and baking require precision, measurement, and creativity, the same principles architects use when designing buildings. Just like you follow a recipe, architects follow blueprints. And just like chefs experiment with flavors, architects innovate with materials and design concepts. So, the next time you bake a perfect cake, remember, you're training to be a master builder. Ever helped pick out wall colors, rearrange shelves, or organize a messy closet? If so, you're developing an architect's eye for aesthetics and functionality. Good architects blend beauty and usability, just like a well-organized space should be both practical and stylish. Whether you're deciding where to place a lamp for the best lighting or organizing a desk for maximum efficiency, you're sharpening your interior design and spatial planning skills. Think architecture is just about buildings? Think again. Architects shape entire environments, and that includes nature. If you've ever planted a garden, arranged outdoor furniture, or even observed how rainwater flows, you're developing a deep understanding of landscaping, sustainability, and climate-conscious design. The world needs green architects who can create eco-friendly spaces. And it all starts with noticing how the environment interacts with design. And there you have it. 5 everyday ways you can train to be an architect without even realizing it. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to discover even more about architecture, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Let's break barriers and design your future together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.